Hi guys, this is Mark Shawzin, the pattern trader here, and the continuing story in the market continues to be the US dollar, the resurgence of the US dollar. A couple weeks ago in my Sunday email, I identified this very obscure H pattern underlying the weekly dollar index chart, and based on that pattern several weeks ago, I predicted that the dollar would have a substantial rise, and that's exactly what we're seeing in the markets today, as the dollar literally is on a tear against the New Zealand dollar. The euro is coming down big time today. Again, across the board, the dollar is resurging, including against spot gold. So remember, XAU USD is correlated directly to the dollar. So as dollar is going up, it's dragging XAU spot gold down. And now gold is sitting on a precipice of a 3-month neckline at the 1307 area. We identified this yesterday. 1307, 1308 has basically been the last bastion of support for the yellow metal, and I think any penetration under these areas is going to give way, and we're going to see a print of at least $1,270 in not too distant future, as it looks like this dollar rally is going to continue unabated. So I'm short New Zealand dollar versus US dollar, I'm short pound US dollar, I'm short XAU USD. I also like the euro versus the British pound. We identified this descending wedge on the weekly euro pound that this pair has just been unable to get under the 87. We did have a recent print under 87. I think that was a bear trap. We're now coming back into this triangle, and I do believe that this is a pretty good risk-reward trade, getting long euro versus pound. So that's it for this daily report. Again, the big story is the US dollar, so keep your eyes peeled there. This could really have an effect across all markets. So this is something I'm keying in. We saw the dollar basing out for 13 straight weeks. Our patience is starting to pay off now. And this is what it's all about. Sometimes we see these patterns, and then it takes a while for the market to go where the pattern indicates. That's just our job as traders, is to identify the pattern, and then basically have the discipline and patience to stick it out. And now we're being amply rewarded, and I think that this is not going to stop anytime soon. So I'm seeing some big moves in the US dollar, and I predict that that's going to continue, especially on the short side of XAU USD. So with that, I wish you a happy and healthy and prosperous trading day, and I'll speak to you next time.